Hey guys, it has been a hot minute since I've done an unboxing, but yeah, I kind of got a little excited. Actually, last night when this arrived, I went to the door and I brought it inside and I opened up the main box. I came really, really close to going ahead and taking it out and playing a little bit, and I decided, no, I'm gonna wait. I wanted to do an unboxing video with you guys of the new Spellbinders Simon Hurley Platinum Scout. So I already have a Platinum 6. I love it. This one is going to be smaller. This is what I already know from watching videos and watching Simon and all the things. So I know it's going to be smaller. It comes with a couple of things that are just for this packaging, and I've already got one of Simon's collections that will work perfect with this smaller machine. I've also realized that some of the things that I do regular die cutting with are going to work great for this. I don't have to pull out my bigger machine, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at this and give it a first run and see how that goes. So let me go ahead and turn the camera, and we're going to get this little baby opened up. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, so we have a description and a little manual to let you know all the things about how to use your little machine. Here's some of the extras. Okay, so we've got a platform. Now this is tiny compared to what I already have. Here is the standard. I think I need to zoom out a little bit, but here's the standard platform that comes with my Platinum 6. And this is the one that comes with the Scout. So let me see if I can get this zoomed out a little bit first. There we go. So now you can see it a little bit better. So you can see that it is much smaller. It is much narrower. It's about half as wide. So that is kind of cool. We've got an Allen wrench and a little bit of hardware to be able to attach the handle. I know that from putting together my last one. My regular Platinum 6. And here we go. This little guy. So little. Let's get him out of the plastic. Isn't that just adorable? And it has Simon's name on there. Yay. And it looks like I don't actually have to put the handle on, but this I think is just extra for when and if you have any issues. It has a little extra stopper there, and this is where the screw and everything's going to go to hold that together. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, I have to play. We're going to have to try this out with what came in the kit. So let me go ahead and get all of this out of the packaging. So we've got an embossing folder with some fun candles. We've got some dies for those same candles. And then we've got, this is a universal plate system also. So this one that I just showed you guys, this is so light, oh my goodness. Anyway, this one that I just showed you is our regular platform. Okay, this is the regular platform that came with the older machines. The newer machines are coming out with the universal plate system so that you can do 3D embossing. And they look like this with a platform base and a platform top. So my new little machine has a platform base with instructions on there so you know what to do, and it has a platform top. Fabulous. Then we've got a shim. This is just so that you can give a little extra pressure if you need to. We've got an embossing mat. We've got an adapter plate for the 3D embossing, and then we've got two thin cutting plates. Look at that. These are so cool. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to play with this guy. So this is that candle embossing folder. Let me grab out a scrap. This is going to be great for your scraps, especially if, like me, you have some strips like this. So this one is just going to be some pink. I'm going to just put that in there. I know that Simon says to do a quick mist. I haven't really had any issues because I'm in Florida and it's super humid here anyway. So I'm not going to mist mine. but I do have my mister over here just in case I need it. This strip is actually a little bit small for it, but yeah, I don't care. I'm going to slide it down a little bit more so that it's got a little bit more of the bottom of the candles. There we go. That's the way it should line up. And then I can take the top off. I don't need the platform top. So I just need the platform base. And I need my embossing folder. And then I'll need my adapter plate D. I keep reaching for it and expecting it to be as heavy as my other one, and it's not. Okay, now I just need to crank that through. This is the first time I'm using it too, guys. Okay, so let's take a look. I do love 3D embossing. Oh, and there we go. Now, with this color of cardstock, you could go lighter or darker because I'm kind of thinking ink over the top. That's going to be pretty, but there we go. So basically, this would create a slimline card all on its own. So you don't need to really do anything other than pop a sentiment on there and you're done. So this is going to be great for some quick and easy cards when it comes to those embossing folders. I love this. Do we want to see how it die cuts? Yeah, let's do that next. Okay, so what we're going to need according to these, and whenever you have a question on it on any of your die cutting machines, take a look at the platforms and see if the instructions are there. Most of them got them there. So it says to do, that's for embossing. This is for cutting. Okay, so you need a platform base, platform top, that's this little guy, then a cutting plate, then your paper or cardstock, then your cutting die, and then a cutting plate. So I've got these two guys here. I've got a cutting plate and some dies. I'm going to go ahead and cut out 2 candles. So the die actually comes like this, where you've got a background and then you've got another one to put some stripes on there. So I'm doing one out of a darker purple and one out of a lighter purple. And then we've got our platform, our other cutting plate, and we're just going to run that through. Now, you guys, if you've watched me at all, you know that I use a magic mat whenever I'm doing any die cutting. I have heard, have not confirmed, but I have heard that there will be one for this size machine. So yes, I will be getting that to help keep my plates as pristine as possible. And it cranks really easy. I'm just being extra cautious that I don't over crank and send things flying because everything is so much lighter. Okay, so I've got 2 little candles there, so it cut out perfect. Look at that. So I can grab a little bit of glue and my tweezers, because I always do. Cut out all those little bits. Real super easy. And I'll just put that little candle together. So that's how those go. I am loving this, so I think I'm going to be using it quite a bit. Do need to get that that other that magic mat to make my plates last longer, because you can see there are now some cuts in that one. So this is going to be my bottom plate, and then this one's going to be my top plate. That does have a couple of indentations there from the other side, but it doesn't have any cuts in there yet. So anyway, I love this little machine. I think it is so super cute, and it is super light. Look at that. That is so fun. It doesn't even need a handle. My other one, I pick it up by the handle all the time. Anyway, this is going to be a fun addition to my craft room, and I usually do a lot of die cutting anyway, so this is going to be fabulous. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the machine or what I plan on doing with it or anything like that, please go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know so that I can answer your questions. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.